justiciable yung issue eh. Kaya pwedeng i-take up talaga na maaga ng Supreme Court yun.
Justiciable meaning ang tatanong, ang question
Kasi
is,
may mga issues na mga based on, let's say, controversy or issues na hindi tinatanggap ng Supreme Court. Kasi yun nga yung tinatawag nila hindi justiciable. Pero ito, justiciable yung issue na ito.
SP, sorry, ang pwedeng questionin ay yung yung pagtawid from 19 to 20
Oo,
years.
makakatawid ba o hindi? Based on those two rules, both of the impeachment court, the rules of the Senate as an impeachment court, and the rules of the Senate as a legislative body.
Yung nagsasabing hindi pwedeng tumawid ay rules of the Senate as legislative body.
Yes.
Because
Wala. Basta nakalagay doon na pag-end ng Congress, end din eh.
All
Kaya nga,
across-
adjourn sine die, which is without day.
Pero SP,
Sir, sino ba
impeachment
pwede-
po, hindi po legislative court yung sinasabi.
Correct. Oo, hindi nga eh. Kaya nga very controversial yung issue sapagkat ano yun, judicial work. Part of the work of the Senate as mandated by the Constitution.
Sir, sino pwede
Pero
mag-file nun sa
body yung
SC?
Senate kasi may natitira ng dalamin talaga.
Ano, sorry?
Oo
nga eh.
continuing body.
Yes, correct. Meron talagang ganong thinking na continuing body yun. And it is an impeachment court. It is a judicial court or a judicial body at that point. Kaya nga, tama rin yung posisyon na yun. Talagang very, very controversial.
Sir, nakakatulong ba o nakakasama sa kampanya na magiging election issue yung impeachment?
I don't think it's going to be an election issue eh. Wala namang mga kandidatong involved doon sa impeachment eh. Hindi pa natin alam kung sino yung mga senador na mapapasok sa 20th Congress. So, I don't think so. I don't think so.
Sir, when you were watching the impeachment, did you see it as a good political move or a good...
I wasn't able to watch it, I'm sorry. I just found out that they...
When you learned about it, sir, did you
When I
think it was
learned
as a good move?
No, I don't know. I have no comment on that matter.
Sino yung best na mag-file sa SC?
Ano?
Sino best mag-file sa SC? Ang question, sino yung best na mag-file dapat sa SC? Para i-question.
anybody?
Anybody.
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 Okay. Thanks, SP. Thank you.